Hey folks, this is Dustin with PosiRank.com and welcome back for another video. This one's titled How to Eliminate On-Site Duplication and Prepare Your Site for a Rankings Boost. Sounds pretty good, right? Here's how we're going to do this thing. First of all, the snippet search, or the SS method, as we call it, should have exposed a number of issues on your site. If you don't know what I'm referring to here with the SS method, you don't know how to do that, go back and check out the previous video and get caught up. Okay? Otherwise, unless your site only has a couple of pages, it's very likely you found some problems. A perfect result in a perfect world will be when your site ranks number one and no other results are shown for that snippet search. That's what we're looking for here. But as you and I know, problems happen. Let's talk about what to do when the above does not occur. Issue A, your site doesn't rank number one for that content. Another site ranks number one and you rank below them. How do we fix that? Well, option number one, rewrite that content on that page. This is the option to take if you want to rank that page, obviously. For example, a home page. Maybe your home page doesn't rank number one. You've got very little bit of content on there, so you want to beef that up to 1,000 to 2,000 words, or maybe it's just not unique at all. Obviously, we want to create brand new, unique content for that page so it ranks well. Option two, no index that page. This is the option to take if you don't want to rank that page. This is a very common option to do when you publish a press release. Either your company or another company writes a press release on your behalf and distributes it, and it's indexed on these press release sites where it's distributed. Then you take that press release and you publish it on your own site, and then it's indexed on your site as well. So now we have an external duplicate content issue going on here. It's okay for you to have that press release on your site. You just want to make sure that it's no indexed, so that doesn't show up in the Google index whatsoever. Issue B, multiple pages on your site rank for that content, starting at position number one in Google. How do we fix this one? Well, option one, decide what page you want that content to be on, then remove that content from the other pages altogether. So we only have one page with that original unique content on it. And option two, decide what page you want that content to be on, and instead of removing it from the other pages, just rewrite that content on the other pages so that they become their own unique original pieces of content on your site. And Google doesn't see it as internal duplicate content. So that's how we fix that one. And issue C. This one's a little bit different. Multiple pages on your site rank for that content, and there is another site ranking above your listings. Sort of a precarious situation because the problem is therefore twofold. Number one, we've got duplicate internal content, and number two, someone else owns that content as well because it's published on their site. So here are the action steps. If there are pages ranking for that bit of content that you don't want in the index, an example, tag pages, category pages, etc., then simply no index those. Pretty straightforward. You'll then be left with those pages that you actually want in the index because you want them to rank. All you have to do is remove that duplicate content and replace it with unique content. Pretty straightforward fix as well. Now let's recap this. Fixing these issues basically involves either no indexing the page or rewriting the offending content. If you have the same content on multiple pages of your site, you must take this just as seriously as external duplicate content. These issues are not separate in their seriousness, right? They should be treated as equals. Get rid of it. It just has to be taken care of. Do this on all of your sites that you care about. You'll drastically increase the quality of your site and its ability to rank in Google. It can take days or weeks to complete this, especially on larger sites. I understand this and it might seem a little bit daunting, but remind yourself, 99% of webmasters do not do this. So there is a built-in competitive advantage here. And remember, you're going to sort of panda-proof your website in the process of this. So that's it, folks. A short and sweet one for you. I will see you on the next video.